Now I am going to pull in here to make it a little bit more challenging. I know that the FSD likes to back in when it does do the Autopark. Okay, you can see where the car is parked over there. I do have the app dialed up here, so I'll put that on the screen. And you can see that the path of travel that the car should take if I do a come to me should be up over here and then around this side of the circle. So I do want to see if it does actually come to this side of the circle. So I am going to press the button right now. Come to me. You can see it is preparing. We do have that white SUV is also getting ready to move. So the Model 3 is backing out, as you can see it there. So doing a fine job backing out. And again, I do want to see it come on this side of the circle. That's why I'm standing here testing it right here as well. Very confidently heading out, and so is this SUV. That SUV is stopping, thankfully. And now it is going to go ahead and accelerate. Stopping there as well. Some incoming traffic, but if it does hurry, which it is not. So you can see that it does look like on the app that it is going to come on the correct side of the circle, which again is actually smart, and I love to see that. It is getting a little close to the curb there, but doing an excellent job with this test here. So full stop here, right in front of the building. Excellent job, especially if you have some sort of physical disability and you can't walk to your car. You can see where these handicap spots are way out there. Then you can pull your car right up here. All right, so what we're gonna do now is hit the Autopark here. So we're gonna start this Autopark. I'm gonna back it into the exact same spot, and we're gonna test the same route again to see if it does end up working. Excellent job, Autopark complete, and it does put itself in park. And we are gonna say come to me. Now it should do the same route, and it should be a little bit quicker because it is pulled backed into the spot.
Will all those things have that feature?
It's about a $8,000 software. Yeah. Nice to have though.
It'll come and pick you up.
Yep.
How far away can you pull?
I'll show you just here in a sec. Transitioning over, and it is accurately coming up into the circle. Excellent job by the actual Smart Summon.